Problem number 34. Find the equation for the tangent line to, so r of t is t squared, t cubed, at t is equal to 3. This should be pretty straightforward. We need r prime of t is 1, 2t, 3t squared. We need r of 3 and r prime of 3. R of 3, plug 3 in here. I'm going to get 3, 9, and 27. R prime of 3, we get 1, 6, and 3 times 3 squared is 27. So all of this information, this is all the information we need to write down parametrization of the line. L of t is going to equal r of 3. So this is the parametrization of the tangent line. So 3, 9, 27 plus t times this gives us the direction vector, 1, 6, 27. And that's the, if I didn't botch up anything, that's the final answer to problem 34. For problem 35, it's asking for the length of the curve. So problem 35, length of the curve is r of t is t squared 2/3 t cubed. Between t is running from 1 to 3. So to find the length, once again, the first thing that we do is take the derivative, 1, 2t, and 2t squared. Because the thing is that when we integrate to find arc length, we are integrating from t to 1 to 3. We're integrating the length of the derivative. We're thinking of this as motion, this is the speed. So the magnitude r prime of t here is the square root of 1 squared plus 2t squared plus 2t squared quantity squared. And so this is 1 plus 4t squared plus 4t squared, 4t to the 4th. Integral from 1 to 3 of the square root of 1 plus 4t squared plus 4t to the 4th. So the question now is, how do we evaluate this integral? You know, I didn't just say set up the integral, I said actually evaluate this integral. And the trick to evaluating this integral is that we need to realize that the thing under the square root here is a perfect square. That the thing under the square root is equal to 1 plus 2t squared quantity squared. I'll let you verify that for yourself. So what happens then? This is the integral from 1 to 3 of the square root of 1 plus 2t squared quantity squared. That's always going to be positive, so we don't have to worry about plus minus when taking the square root. So it's just 1 plus 2t squared here, because the square root and the square cancels, and this should be a straightforward integral to do. So t plus what? 2/3 t cubed, plug in 1 to 3. So it's 3 plus 2/3 times 27 minus 1 plus 2/3 times 1, whatever that simplifies down to be.